Back, my awesome YouTube Sonic Squad friends. So last video we had these two in the packages. So we're gonna open up Super Shadow, see what he look like. Alright. One second. Okay. Whoa. Guys, so this what Super Shadow look like, okay? Let's put this back of the put the back of his head so that don't go anywhere. Okay. So we got Super Shadow. You like Super Sonic and Super Shadow? It says Super Shadow. But anniversary, thank you so much for making this plush. We really appreciate it. Go subscribe to Real Sonic Fans channel, guys. Right, just right in the description below box. You know, down to my channel. If you don't see it, just go spell it onto their channel. And guys, here's what they look like. But watch this. Super Shadow. And at least normal Shadow. Okay? Got that out the way. Moving on. Alright. Okay, we got Super Shadow out of there. Nice to meet you, Super Shadow. Welcome aboard. You're gonna be in my new YouTube video. Okay? Like that. Okay. Let's get Blaze the cat out, but I need the scissors for that. I mean, not scissors, just an actual code. Okay. Okay. Got Blaze the cat. So here she looks nice. Got the fur and stuff. It looks like she got nails in there. Okay, we got the biggest ears I ever seen. So we got the dress. We got the tail. Yep. Let me fix that problem right there. 1 minute, guys. The little thread is coming out of her. Oh, she's coming apart. Okay, good as new. Good as new. See that? She look very good as new. Okay, whoever made this, I appreciate it. Thanks for making this Blaze a Cat stuffed animal plush. Okay? Anyway. So it says Blaze. It could have put Blaze the Cat, made original name. Like P-O-P name. I mean, shit. Why would the hell I had said it? Whatever. So had the same boot style, shoe styles that Sonic has. So let's go see how many characters we have. 1 minute, guys. Yep, we got 3 females, guys. We got we got 5 boys now. Or Hedgehog, 5 boy Hedgehogs. So yeah, Blaze the Cat was in Sonic Rush. You see the little spiky, it's not spiky, but it looks spiky to me. She got a little ponytail. She got like 4 ponytails. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ponytails, especially that little thing right there. Couldn't have made it shiny like that. It would have been an original real life plush. So yeah, thank you, Jazzwares. Sega, where we made it. You can lay down, Blaze, if you want. I don't care how much you lay down, but you lay down perfect. Like, yeah. Thank you. I love you, Blaze Cat. Oh, especially on her neck. A little bracelet thing, yeah. Okay. Okay, last and least. Oh, never mind. I don't have to. There's no tape. I can take it out then. Alright. perfect. So yeah, that's the Shadow 285. Yeah. 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 Oh yeah, baby. So yeah, we have Pop Shadow. You can spin the head around. There's something in the head, but I'm not finna destroy. It's a new toy. But this is the coolest action figure I ever had. This is like an action figure statue. But yeah, let's see. Okay. Wait a minute. What is that? Hold on. I know what this is. I didn't know they had a stand. Oh, it's a little stand. Okay. Guys, these guys like, Jamal, you know it came for the stand, right? I know. Now, I really know who he is. Got the Shadow the Hedgehog pop toy. Yeah. If I had a spin thing, spin light up in a cool YouTube video on YouTube. So yeah, hope they got the Super Shadow like that. The now they have the Super Silver Super Tails, and now oh yeah, the Silver and what you call the other one? The Shadow with the Chow and Dr. Eggman. Hold up, let's see. Wait a minute. Yeah, I was right. Okay, let's put that back in the box. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube video. If you did, get this video a thumbs up. And I really love you guys so much. What the hell is it? Really, Amazon? That's real how you can spell Blaze the Cat with a B. Now let's say Lays. Lays the Cat. Do you see that? Do you see that? Okay, whatever. And then I don't know, they were spelling it so fast, they need to slow down. Because I think they were in a hurry. I don't know what Amazon's problem is. But anyway, Amazon, just be careful how you spell her name. Don't matter what you spell. Well, guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Jamal and Sonic Boy signing out. Follow me on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat. Snapchat. Whatever you call it. Oh yeah, Snapchat, whatever you call it. See you guys next time.